Hello students. So today's topic is research ethics. So before going into the topic research ethics, let's look into what is research, meaning of research. Research is a derivative of the French word research, means quest, search, pursuit and search for truth. Research in common parlance refers to a search for knowledge. It is a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. So, finding out new things in any previously aware knowledge is research. It is systemized effort to gain new knowledge. Next comes the objectives of research. Why we need to do research work. So objectives in research ethics is the first and broadest objective is to protect the human participants. The second objective is to ensure that research is conducted in a way that serves the interest of individuals, groups or society as a whole. Finally, the third objective is to examine specific research activities and projects for their ethical soundness, looking at issues such as the management of risk, protection of confidentiality, and the process of informed consent. Application of fundamental ethical principles to your topics like the design and implementation of research involving human experimentation, animal experimentation, various aspects of academic scandal including scientific misconducts such as fraud, fabrication of data and plagiarism. So these are all the terms which we look into under this research ethics. In addition to that, there is a thing called whistleblowing. So it's nothing but wrongdoing within an organization to the public or to those in positions of authority. Regulation of research. Research ethics is most developed as a concept in all the scientific research. Research in the social science presents a different set of issues than those in medical research. So next we are going to see into what are all the ethical principles. So first one is honesty. Strive for honesty in all scientific communications. Honestly report the data, results, methods, procedures and publication status. Do not fabricate, falsify or misrepresent the data. Do not deceive colleagues, granting agencies or the public. The next one is objectivity. Strive to avoid bias in experimental design, data analysis, data interpretation, peer review, personal decisions, grant writing, expert testimony, and other aspects of research where objectivity is expected or required. Avoid and minimize bias or self-deception. Disclose personal or financial interests that may affect the research. Integrity. Keep your promises and agreements. Act with sincerity. Strive for consistency of thought and action. Carefulness. Avoid careless errors and negligence. Carefully and critically examine your own work and work of your peers. Keep good record of research activity such as data collection, research design and correspondence with agencies or journals. Openness. Share the data, results, ideas, tools, researchers. Be open to criticism and new ideas. respect for intellectual property, honor patents, copyrights, and other forms of intellectual property. Do not use unpublished data, methods, or results without permission. Give credit where credit is due. Give proper acknowledgement or credit for all contributions to research. Never plagiarize. Confidentiality. Protect confidential communication such as papers or grants submitted for publication, personal records, trade or military secrets, and patient records. Publish in order to advance research and scholarship, not to advance just your own career. Avoid wasteful and duplicative publication. So it should be a responsible publication, responsible mentoring, help to educate, mentor, and advise the students, promote their welfare, and allow them to make their own decisions. Respect for colleagues. Respect your colleagues and treat them fairly. So, this is about research ethics. So, it's nothing but finding out new things from already existing knowledge. It should be in an ethical way. So, there should be a honesty, objectivity, integrity, carefulness, openness, respect for intellectual property, confidentiality, publication responsible, mentoring responsible, and respect for colleagues. So, with this, we conclude research ethics topic. We'll be meeting you next topic. Thank you.